Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Snapchat account. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on Bitmoji on the top left corner of your screen. On the top right corner of your screen, tap on the gear icon. Navigate to Support and tap on I Need Help. Tap on Managing My Account. And tap on Delete or Reactivate My Account. Click on How do I delete my Snapchat account? Now you will see a guide by Snapchat on how to delete your Snapchat account. Tap the account portal. Now you need to provide your username and password. Then press Continue. And Snapchat will delete your account after 30 days. Make sure don't log in into your account for 30 days, otherwise Snapchat won't delete your account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to delete your account on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.